If you're thinking of getting tape extensions, here's a tip. Get the one with the seamless weft versus the shiny weft. That's why I like Dora's tape hair extensions. Unbox it with me and let me show you how they look. They blend naturally because they don't have plastic, they have hair on the top. All you have to do is cut them customized to the size that you want, and then you're just gonna go ahead and apply it on your head. This is how I took my hair from this to this. Look at all that fullness. This seamless, customizable weft is so much better than a bunch of shiny, bulky tapes. It's one clean strip that lays flat to your head instead of 10 tiny little buns. Just a smooth, natural, invisible blend. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, go ahead and check out my account. Save this video if you hate messy looking hair extensions and you want to try doing them on yourself. You can get your own set of Dora's extensions by clicking that link below. They have different sizes and different colors. And then refer back to this video so you can see how to apply them on yourself. I bet you never thought applying your own tape extensions could be this easy. Here's a tip to know what width to cut the extensions. For the bottom row, I used the width of my 2 thumbs side by side. And for the top row, I used the width of my pointer finger. And I cut 6 sections of that length so that I could make 3 sandwiches. And for the last 2, which are the ones that are going to be on the sides, I cut it the width of my thumb. And then you just seal it with your flat iron at under 200 degrees. You want the sides to be at an angle and 3 fingers width away from your hairline. And this is what a clean installation actually looks like. Share this video with a friend who you know might need this. Hit that link below so you don't miss out on the sale, and follow me for more hair tips.